Hello, Gundam fans. So we have a SD full color DX2 release of the Devil Gundam. I've never watched this cartoon. It's from something called Mobile Fighter G Gundam. It's just a crazy looking robot where it can transform in what looks like a robot coming out of the head of a robot. And then there's a variation. I think it evolves and grows legs from what I'm seeing on the internet, but I haven't seen the cartoon, so I really don't know. I just like the design of it. It's so wacky that I've grown to like it. I don't know if these things are sold in capsule machines or what. This is probably used. Alright, so it's really small. And let's see if we can take it apart and put it back together. See how many parts there are. That paint's stuck. The head comes off. That could be glued. The feet come off? Yes, they do. Oh, the legs come off. Alright. I'm trying to not twist the pegs because I think they'll shear off. Alright, so now we know there's articulation here in the legs. They literally will rotate on those pegs. And then the feet peg into those, and they have different size holes, so I don't know why they'd bother doing that, though, if the things are symmetric, right? It looks like the feet are symmetric, so who cares what size you put where? Yeah, obviously you can rotate those. And so this is like the look of the head there, kind of, sort of, part of it. I wonder if the intention was to allow you to make the head. Hold on. No. Unless it goes that way? No. Well, this way? No. Alright. So there's no head conversion here on the base. That's what I've come to realize. Alright. So the torso. Yeah, alright. It's nice red. There's no... I don't get a sense of glossiness out of any of this. It looks very matte, which is fine. There's actually a heart thing molded in here. That's interesting. This arm looks like it might be a separate piece too. So you can see the arm actually will move a little bit. If this paint wasn't stuck, it would rotate. The shoulder, that is. Let's see here. Yeah, so there's the arm. So you can pose that thing. And so the head, yeah, alright. Nice green eyes on a black background, the red chin. Big yellow antennae. It's really thick. And at least it's a round peg, so you can look a little bit left and right. Okay, yeah, cool. So the hand is just molded into the arm, but at least it's painted a different color. And this is round, so you can pose that at an angle. And it tends to clear the antennae of the lower part. A little green dot. Interesting. So they skipped the yellow on these things back here, but that's fine. It's nice that from the front it looks pretty colorful. Some nice vent details there. And then you have these giant claw things. Where do they go? They have two different size pegs. I have a feeling they replaced the arms. So let's... boy. So... let's see, I don't know where... maybe not. The peg is going in that direction. Oh, maybe they just stick into the... no, that's where it went into the torso. Is there somewhere else I'm missing? There was a hole back here. Not sure why. It is kind of that size, but this peg is a lot... oh, well, now we know that comes off. I don't think it belongs there. Does it replace these? No. Does it go into the bottom of the foot? Could it go into the bottom of the foot? It's... no, that's too small. Oh, what's this? Does this come off? It does, but I don't think it has anything to do with the arm. Huh. hand doesn't come off. What a mystery. I have to look up a photo of this. It's just not obvious to me. Unless one of these comes out. Alright, so I found this one image, and I'm like, where does this thing get jammed into? Because there's no hole there, but it turns out the back of the shoulder is pegged in. And so you have to remove that. Let's see if I can get this thing apart, because it's still stuck to this torso. There we go. I just don't know why they wouldn't have a hole like right there, instead of making you take this apart and losing all these cool yellow details. Unless they vanish in the cartoon. Alright, so... oh, there goes the arm. So that goes there. The arm still comes back. And now it looks like it has giant chicken feet on its shoulders. But, I see. So what happens, I guess, maybe in the cartoon, is the shoulder breaks apart, because that's supposed to be this. And these yellow things probably come out and become these chicken feet. So, interesting. Okay, I guess it makes sense now. Although, if it's got 3 thrusters on the side, where's the 4th finger come from? Yeah, details of a cartoon. So the next thing is this little Rain Mikamura character. I would have to assume this is the pilot or some significance of the cartoon. Although she's not dressed to be a Gundam pilot, so again, I haven't seen it. But it's actually really well done, this little character, because look at the eyes. There's white and blue on them. It's interesting, okay? Really fine details. This is a really tiny figure. Alright, so that's nice. How tall is this thing? You might wonder. So, ignoring the chicken feet, up to the antenna, it's under 6 centimeters, maybe 55 millimeters. It's over 2 inches. With the actual chicken feet, though, it's like a little over 70, so 72 millimeters, maybe 2 3/4 of an inch, something in that ballpark. Alright, this guy's very loose now. I almost feel like I want to glue the thing together, because I'm going to just lose parts. Except you can't really do that with the chicken feet thing. That's why I wish they were just... oh well. I guess I'm not... I don't think I'm going to display it with these weird grappling things. I prefer the clean look of this. I guess this is this side. So I will say, that is nicely molded. I mean, it's so nicely blended that I didn't even realize it opened. Right? But now that you know to look for it, I guess you can figure that out. So for something this short, there's actually quite a lot of articulation going on. Very, very cool. Right? I was just about to glue this skirt on and then realized why that hole is there. So before it was vertical, but if you put it horizontal, then I'm like, why? Now it makes sense that you could just rotate the foot back, or the whole leg back, and now that's what's creating the Gundam head for the lower part of the torso. Alright, so that's, yeah, maybe flight mode or something, but that is an option. And yeah, okay. So maybe I won't glue that thing together. Glue it in case I ever want to transform it again. But I think I like the standing up position more. Alright, so tiny little human character, very cool. The only other thing I have really is the Converge, and obviously it's much bigger. But this is an EX Converge, so that's bigger than your standard size Converge figure. But it does look pretty sweet. I did detail it up though with decals and paint washes and the like. And that one could convert as well. I think it came with extra parts though to do the conversion process. But as I mentioned, I like it standing. Okay, well that's not about Converge. You can look up that video. Alright, well this is a cool little super deformed character. A lot of playability. I just like collecting small things because I can collect more of them. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Gundam video.